Welcome me YouTube family, welcome back to Briscoe's Kitchen. Yeah man, first and foremost, big up Father God, oh yeah? So in today's video, I'm going to share with you how I roast my chicken in the oven. We not talk too much, we go jump right into the intro, then we'll kick it off.
Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice. Yeah, the food is nice. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah, Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice.
This is the chicken I'm using. I'm going to clean it and wash it. Here's I have some pineapple. Here I have some blend green season. You could get the recipe for the green season from my website. Here I have some garlic paste. 1 stick of butter, room temperature. Here I have some rosemary, fresh thyme, garlic, ginger. I have half of a sweet pepper, the green one I'm using. And I have some garlic and scallions. I'm going to use some olive oil. These are the lemons I'm going to use to wash the chicken. I have some olive oil here. I'm going to use some olive oil. Here I have onion powder, garlic powder, using some pimento. I have some cayenne pepper. I'm going to use cayenne pepper also. Some paprika. And these are my season I'm using. This is my all-purpose season I'm going to use. Now I'm going to clean the chicken. So whenever you're cleaning chicken, don't leave nothing like this inside of the chicken, okay? We're not eating nothing like this from out of the chicken, okay? So you want to make sure you clean out all of these stuff out the chicken, okay? So you wanna wash your chicken. Always keep a knife to pick off the excess feathers. Like these small feathers, you pick them out with a knife like this, okay? And you scrape off the skin. And always ensure to use cold water to wash the chicken, okay? See all these yellow stuff? Use a knife to scrape them off, okay? You scrape off all of these stuff with the knife. You want to use the lemon and rub the chicken. You see nothing inside the chicken. This is how the chicken is supposed to clean, okay? Okay, my people, now I'm going to mix the season them together. First, the butter. And I take out this butter out the fridge like an hour ago. Get it room temperature. Now this is 3 tablespoons of blend green season. 2 tablespoons of garlic paste. 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. 1 tablespoon of onion powder. 1 tablespoon of paprika. 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper. 3 tablespoons of all-purpose season. 1/3 cup of olive oil. Now we're going to mix them here together. Alright, my people, this is it. Alright, my people. Now I'm going to add this to the chicken. Alright, so now we're going to season the chicken. You want to make sure you get the season underneath the skin, my people. Now make sure you get the season way up underneath the skin, okay? Inside the chicken also. And I make as much get inside the chicken. all the way up. See? When I get the seasoning all the way up underneath the skin, okay? Well seasoned. We are seasoning the chicken to the bone, okay? Alright, my people, so now I'm going to wrap it with the foil paper and leave it for 2 hours. After 2 hours, we push it in the oven. Going to put the chicken on top of the pineapple. The juice from the chicken will have the pineapple flavor. Going to use it to make a sauce to baste the chicken, okay? Going to add the chicken in there. Yeah, man. You wanna make sure you get out all of this season. All of them that gonna melt. Make a good sauce, flavorful sauce. Now I'm going to stuff the chicken. This is scallions, rosemary. Put all of them up in there. Fresh thyme. Sweet pepper. I use the green one. We have stuff all of them here up in it, my people. Ginger. Garlic. Cut the garlic like this. All of them is for the flavor, okay? Now I'm going to wrap the chicken before I put it in the oven. So here I wrap the chicken. Going to put it in the oven at 425 degrees for 2 hours. Okay, my people, the chicken in the oven for an hour now. Now I'm going to make a sauce to baste the chicken. So for the glaze, I'm gonna add a piece of butter, 1 tablespoon of green season, 2 tablespoons of honey. Now I'm going to take the chicken out of the oven and pour the juice of the chicken inside here, so to make the glaze. So now I'm gonna take the chicken out of the oven. Look at that. All of this juice I'm gonna use to make the glaze, okay, my people? All of the juice in here, so. Smell all the flavor from the pineapple. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of all-purpose season, not too much. I'm gonna allow it, make it go and simmer down before I brush it on the chicken. Okay, my people, so the sauce is ready. All right, my people, so now I'm gonna baste the chicken with the sauce. Go continue to baste it down about 20 minutes until the chicken finish roast. Now I'm going to put it back inside the oven. Okay, my people, this is how my roast chicken look when it finish. Nice and juicy, seasoned to the bone. Look at the breast right here, so look at the breast. Wow, wow. Look at this, my people. Just star. Look at this. Look at this. Cooked to perfection. Look. Tearing up. Oh, no, no, I can't cook and not eat my food, right? So this chicken leg, I'm going for it. This is so good. Look at it. Nice and juicy. No dry chicken around here. So please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I have a lot more recipe to share with you all. See you in the next video.